Welcome back. Before we start handling exceptions, we must understand how Python organizes them. Exceptions are organized in a hierarchy, just like classes in OOP, allowing us to catch errors at different levels of generality. 1. The root of all errors, BaseException. At the very top of the hierarchy is BaseException. All system exit messages and exceptions inherit from this. Generally, you should never catch BaseException because it includes events like system exit and keyboard interrupt, which are usually meant to terminate the program. 2. The main branch exception. The most important branch is Exception, which inherits from BaseException. This is the base class for all non-fatal exceptions, the ones you should usually handle with your try-except blocks. If you write except exception, you catch nearly all common runtime errors. 3. Common runtime exceptions. Many common errors you encounter inherit directly or indirectly from exceptions. Let's look at a few common examples and how they relate. For example, zero division error inherits from arithmetic error. Similarly, trying to access a non-existent dictionary key raises a key error, which inherits from lookup error. Catching the base class, like lookup error, means you can handle both key error and index error with one block. These are very frequent. Value error occurs when an operation receives an argument of the correct type but an inappropriate value, such as converting the string hello to an integer. Type error occurs when an operation is applied to an object of an inappropriate type, like adding a string to an integer. 4. Why the hierarchy matters. Understanding the hierarchy allows for specific error handling. When an exception is raised, Python searches for a matching except block. If it doesn't find a direct match, it looks for an ancestor class in the hierarchy. This means that if you catch lookup error, you automatically catch any specific error that descends from it, like key error or index error. To summarize, knowing the hierarchy allows us to write concise yet comprehensive error handlers. Our next lecture 22.03, Handling Exceptions. See you there.